Gentle while you stroke, when you picture me. Every number count, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. I've said it doesn't matter now, but it defeats me. Shackles around one's feet is not so neat. Oh, hurry with the kisses, your lips and the balm. Every number counts, love tokens. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. Oh, it must have been the first time that evil kissed my face. But oh, little did I know, disharmony awakens me. Oh, who would I be? Who would I be? Oh, disharmony dismantles me still. Oh, it's deep, so deep.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, it's real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. The slowness creeps towards my feet within the light the morning brings to clean the remnants of a dream. Shadows you cannot see, I brush aside. You're on my mind this week. The lows are deep. I fall into the refuge that is sleep. There's nothing in my view but images of you 1,000 times. The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said. Love is nothing but an echo, a memory you can't deny. Life is nothing but a vision, a play without a stage, an ocean without waves. The summer came for us. I remember what I lost. And I'm writing to myself about the things you said, about the things you said.
Reading book, notebook. TBC job. TBD job. Karen strainer. How cool is this? For 50 cents.
The summer came for us and showed us what we lost. And I'm writing to myself about things you said, about things you said. The slowness creeps towards my
buddy.
feet.
Sorry about that, mate.
Within the light, the morning brings.
Going on this, which I've already put one up, and then they've got to go side by side in front of the air conditioning unit to hide it, because I did look at some options from IKEA, but they were ridiculously expensive. It was like $240, and I was like, $240 to hide the AC, and it's just literally a wooden screen. So I thought maybe there's a better way to do something that is actually useful. Laundry. Okay. I feel like it's always good to open it on camera so that if anything's wrong with it, you know, see. Oh, okay, it is. Oh, it's teeny tiny. It's so cute. Don't forget my lid. I hope the lid is in there. I hope the lid's in the other one. Huge. Holy moly, they're massive. Huh. They're bigger than I thought. Oh, okay. These are different to the ones that I thought. Oh, I forgot I got this. Didn't get any lids. Missing lids. Literally says, don't forget my lid. And they're dirty. I feel like this is another reason why Kmart can't compete with Amazon, which they're trying to with one pass, but they just take so long to deliver stuff, and then when it comes, it's not exactly what you ordered. The dreaded laundry nook. Always looking a complete disaster. Let's see what we can do with it.